It is June 21st, 2009. Father's Day. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa!
Brian, he likes it.
Wesley, no, don't run Daddy over!
Daddy, don't get you.
Does it go in reverse? Oh!
What?
I got batteries. Hold on a second.
Maybe you need the batteries for the MP3 player too.
Probably.
I would think so.
Here's Wesley's new sports car that Grandma and Grandpa got him.
And it's so cool. It's remote control until he can steer it himself, and then he can drive it all by himself.
Uh-oh. Grandma keeps running behind the camera.
And his feet can just slide.
You look like Grandma, you'd want to.
You want to try the MP3 player again?
Okay. Wait, I just want to make the batteries on.
Oh, we got the music to work. He's got a stereo system now. Oh, not in a puddle. Oh no! Did you get Grandma?
Don't run me over!
That's some car you got, Wes. That's some car you got. Whoa! Whoa!
And now she's pressing the button.
One-hand driver. One-hand
Who's
driver.
driving the car? Who's driving the car?
Oh no! Oh no! See you later, Wes.
Hell yeah, let's go all the way down. He liked looking at the wall yesterday.
The honeysuckle smells so yummy.
Can I try it? Can you film a little bit?
Absolutely.
How's it work? Are you
You all done? Hey Wesley, are you all done? You want to come out?
Whoa!
Daddy.
Daddy's looking at knockout. Daddy's looking at knockout.
Hey, Grandpa!
Daddy's looking at knock you out.
Go get him!
Go between my legs!
Let's get him coming back this way. Get him from this side.
Pay a toll to go through the tunnel.
Oh, Brian.
Now let's go backwards through Grandpa's leg.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't realize.
He's ducking down. All right. Love you.
All done? All done. You all
All done.